Hey.
All right, let's see.
Yeah, boy, you can do it!
Everybody got one? Okay, we're gonna give y'all a minute to eat that one. A minute. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now at any time, y'all can quit. If you don't think you can do it. There's some ice cold milk. Good to go. Matt's done. Just hold on to it. Hold on to it. Okay. Everybody's done? Give him a little while. We're going to give him a little while longer. Come on.
Hey, my name's Primo with Primos Peppers. Thank y'all for coming out, and I'm glad to be here. Cheers. So the winner also gets a prize pack from us of some pepper jelly, Farmer's Daughter pepper jelly, some hot sauce, some seeds. So if they make it, they deserve it. And make sure all of you put your toilet paper in the freezer tonight, all right?
Okay. Anybody's giving up here? Come on, let's get them down. Oh, I think we have somebody who might be bowing out. Yeah, come on, you can do another one. Okay, I think we got 2. I'm worried.
Good try!
2. Okay, let's see if you can finish it up because time's about it. Okay, we got 4 contestants left. Okay, the next pepper is an Ethiopian brown pepper. How hot is it?
Came all the way from Ethiopia to see you guys. So, it's 20,000 Scovilles. So still relatively easy. I don't think anybody will make it down to the end of this list. Maybe next year, right?
We have 3 now. Here's the next pepper. Okay, we count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he is done. Oh, we got 2. Oh, another one going. Okay, next pepper, please. Okay. He's going to tell you what kind of pepper this is.
All right, so this pepper, you know, I had to get it the Spanish market because they don't grow in Louisiana well at all. And it's a Manzano pepper, and that means apple. It looks like a little sweet apple, but it doesn't taste like one. It's the only pepper with black seeds. It's very juicy. So it's a little sneak attack though, so it's not gonna be as hot as the habanero, but it will sneak up on you.
Okay, y'all are ready? Count of 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. What is it? Up here we have Matt and Martin, by the way.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right, go Matt. And Matt registered at the last second. Good job, guys. Let's everybody give those guys a round of applause. The next pepper, peach sugar rush. Sounds interesting.
So a peach sugar rush. Well, it ain't no peach for sure, but it's from Peru. And it's got a very sweet taste, but it is, let's see what I have it at, 100,000 Scovilles, so you're getting up there.
Okay, here we go, another round. 1, 2, 3. Matt's done already. Done? Oh, wow. We ready for the next pepper, you guys? That's awesome. That's awesome. Next pepper. Here it comes. Thai chili peppers. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Matt, are you done? You done? Both of them are done. We need the next pepper, please. That's good. Caribbean red habaneros. One, 2, 3. He is out of control. You can quit at any time. We ready for the next peppers? Which number is this? Which round is this?
You scared of ghost?
It's ghost peppers, and we're on round number 7. This is number 7. Ghost peppers. Count of 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. Matt's done. Martin's done. We're going to need the next pepper, please. Oh, wait. Ready?
Oh yeah, he's ready to get over.
Round number 8.
But like I said, you see how he is.
The Big Green Mama. On the count of 3, guys. 1, 2, 3.
This is something I crossed that's making its way around the world, and it's deceivingly hot. It's a little different, but it's hot. Well, let's see what we have. I had like 1.2 million.
What's the next one?
Big black mom.
Next? The Big Black Mama.
She ain't nice.
She isn't nice, he said. On the count of 3, guys. 1, 2, 3.
You got it, Marty. Come on, you got it.
Come on, there's some cold milk if you want to quit. You ready to go?
Yeah!
This is what, Troy, this is number 9, Troy? What is it? The Big Caramel Mama. He asks how many mamas that Pepper has.
We do have an elimination round, but I'll tell you what, the thing about these ultra hots, when you're talking, this next pepper they're about to eat is a pepper I created when I was at ULL in horticulture in 2005. Along came a Carolina Reaper after the fact, and it kind of looks the same. But it is 1.5 million Scovilles, which is 300 times as hot.
Holy
There you go, brother. So I guess we'll have to see what happens next year with these guys.
Big Mac!
Big Mac has won the pepper eating contest. Give Big Mac and all our contestants a round of applause.
Cat's from New Orleans, so maybe you'll bring us luck tomorrow, right?
All right, Big Mac!
Who
Hey,
that?
Big Mac, go ahead and eat that Carolina!
Thank you.
Big Mac, go ahead and do the Carolina! Oh, man!
We're going to do it again next year, so start
He didn't want to
practicing.
go.